Hello dear students, welcome to Social Science class, chapter number 5, Continents and Oceans for class 5th and part 11. And today's topic is there about oceans. In previous class you have completed two oceans, Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. So Pacific Ocean is the first largest and deepest ocean, and its shape is triangular in shape, and also it deepest in the earth crust. And second ocean is the Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean, and this ocean its shape is the letter S, and it is also known as Mid-Atlantic Ridge. So today's topic is there also oceans. Third ocean is the Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. About Indian Ocean, it is the third largest ocean, and so it is roughly, its shape is roughly triangular in shape. And next, its depth is 4,000 meters. 4,000 meters. The Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal are important parts of this ocean. Listen here student. So the third ocean is the Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean. Its shape is roughly triangular in shape, and its depth is 4,000 meters. And some Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal are the important seas are there in this Indian Ocean. And next you can see here student, fourth ocean is the Arctic Ocean. Actually here fourth largest ocean is there here, Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean is the fourth largest ocean. So it is also known as Antarctic Ocean. And some merging this ocean, southern extensions of Indian, some Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. So it can be merging. So merging to the Southern Ocean till to the Indian, Atlantic, Pacific and Indian Oceans. Indian Oceans. And so it lies, where it lies, see here student, it lies Southern Hemisphere. Southern Hemisphere. Okay student, about this Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean is the 4th largest ocean. So it is also known as Antarctic Ocean, and Atlantic and Pacific, Indian Oceans are there merging here, and it lies Southern Hemisphere. See a student, next. Fifth one, Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. It is the smallest ocean. So it lies, where it lies, see here, it lies the Arctic Circle. The Arctic Circle. And it is a shallowest ocean. Shallowest ocean means, so it is the here frozen part this. So this part is the frozen parts. So almost whole year. So whole year, here we can see frozen. So it lies North Pole. North Pole of the earth. Of the earth. See a student, about Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. It lies the Arctic Circle. You know that Arctic Circle? So you have already studied in Earth, about Earth. See here, it is the Earth, it is North Pole and it is South Pole. South Pole. So Arctic Ocean lies here, and here Antarctic Ocean, means Antarctic Circle. This is the Arctic Circle and this one is the Antarctic Circle. But Arctic Ocean lies Arctic Circle. Okay, it is the smallest ocean. It lies Arctic Circle. It is also shallowest ocean, means it is the mix up of snow, means it is covered by ice. Okay, so it is the frozen part. Some parts, all parts are here frozen parts. So throughout the year, almost whole year, here all will be, we are seeing ice only. Okay, and it lies North Pole direction. It lies the North Pole direction on the earth. So here 5 oceans are completed. Okay, so that 5 oceans are the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. So here your lesson also completed. Chapter number 5, continents and oceans, all completed here. So next exercise part we are solving in next class. Now thank you.